good success initially. This is our existing brand, Premium Harvest, where we handpick and guarantee shelf life, Sortex clean, best in town. Consumer is paying 40-50% higher for this brand. I mean, it's not that we are keeping that money in our pocket still. We hope to do so, but we are spending most of it in last mile cleaning, hand packing, and making sure that the consumer is happy about the product. I mean, that's the value addition that we expect that we all collectively start putting into Pulse's packaging, into brand. So customer finds some value into it, rather than just packaging it. Customer has to find value into it. This is our Golden Harvest value-added basin and other flour range. What modern trade has been able to do is, they have been able to offer a range of what Kirana store is not able to do. They have been able to celebrate the range. In our stores, you'll find 10 tur dals. You'll find the smallest of selling varieties of pulses, exotic pulses also, imported pulses also, desi pulses also. So customer have reason to shop with us, to try more, to consume more. So modern trade is equipped to do that. What modern trade has contributed to, like Mr. Bangad highlighted, that there's a shift when the prices go haywire, consumer has no choice but to shift between the products. And modern trade has contributed to, when tur dal was expensive, we were successfully able to sell more of chana dal and watana dal. And it's in favor of consumers, it's in favor of industry, there's no harm, there's a shortage of one product, there's excess of other. We are able to sell that, we are able to influence that. I think that's a phenomenon that would be would remain so for some more time in India. What a modern trade does typically is it's a virtuous cycle. It's an aggregation of demand because we are modern trade. We go and source directly, we import directly, we source from you people directly. Hence, there are economies of scale. So there's a value for customer that we are able to chip in, and hence our demands keeps on increasing. This is a cycle that modern trade can contribute to. These are the various methods we buy our pulses from, and what we believe is there's a lot of scope to increase consumption in pulses. There's all three partners, retailers, manufacturers, the middle level and the producers, farmers need to collaborate at each and every level. The collaboration would have to be of different kind because it's India. It's different. It can't be what the Western world is doing. We can copy it into India and be successful. We'll have to be innovative in what we do in India. For each region, we'll have to be specifically doing collaborations. We'll have to build up scales into the industry. What we believe on one side there's a need of quality pulses because we are into the business of increasing consumption. Modern trade is in the business of increasing consumption. So the need of availability of quality, good product is increasing. What we would like to suggest to the industry is India needs a revolution like in oil industry. The oil mill became plants, solvent plants came in. floors may, small chakki mills become into floor mills, floor plants. Dal mill industry needs a transformation of a kind. I mean, from a mill, India needs large plants which have a huge capacity, which can consolidate a lot more efficiently, which can distribute a lot more efficiently, which has economies of scale, which has power of branding. So my suggestion, I mean, it's not in just in our favor; it's in favor of the whole industry. There's also what modern trade can do is, like I said, I mean, why can't pulse industry think of value-added product so that more margin is retained by this industry to grow further? When Lay's 10 rupee kilo potato can sell at 200 rupees, can something of that sort can be done in pulse industry? Can there be a besan noodle launched? When there is a atta noodle, there's a maida noodle, can there be a besan noodle? Which is healthy, which can bring in more margin into the industry, which can make the industry grow. And modern trade can give a platform to experiment them, to celebrate them, to create a market to sell them. Soya industry has experienced that. I think cereals have experienced that. What Kellogg's is doing is amazing. I mean, can somebody among us do that for pulse industry? Can we have a chana dal Kellogg's or whatever, which is healthy, which brings in more margin into the industry, which allows us to grow? But there are some hard-fought facts also which we discussed separately with Minister Saab. There are movement restrictions, there are stock limits, there are APMC says. These are hard realities in India. I think changes are happening, they'll change sooner than later, which will allow us to grow. I mean, to allow us modern trade or the overall consumption of pulses to grow. Thank you. So what we believe is dals are here for health as well as wealth. I mean, wealth can be created out of pulse industry. Definitely there's health, and health as well. Thank you.